Japanese secret anti-aging mask. This mask will make you look 10 years younger, no matter your age. Best natural face mask for wrinkle and fine lines. Ingredients: 1 banana peel and rice. Cut banana peel in small pieces. Add banana peel in pan. And 1 tablespoon rice. 1 cup water. Boil ingredient for 10 minutes. Mixture is ready. Let it cool. Put in mixer. Grind all ingredients. Smooth paste is ready. Filter mixture with strainer. Remove remnants that have not been ground. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Half tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon honey. Mix well. Mixture is ready. Keep this mixture in jar. Store the mixture in fridge for 7 days. This mask contains vitamin C, which brightens skin tone and remove pigmentation. Banana peels contains a high percentage of collagen, which delays the signs of aging. Apply this mixture all over your face. Also apply it around eye wrinkles. Leave this mask for 30 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water and then with cold water.